So guys, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to download this. I'm gonna have it's only one link, and it's in the description. It is I don't know. It's just an APK that you get on an Android device or Windows, which anything you get. It's an Android, or you can get BlueStacks on to use, and you have to download a VPN. I'm using Kiwi VPN, and you put the server on India, because that's the only one that's live right at the moment. Whenever USA be out, that would be awesome. Oh wow, that way I can have a lot better connection. That was stupid. But yeah, if you guys have it, whoever has it, go ahead and add me. As you can see in there, Parkster1212. That's my gamer tag right at the moment. But I mean, it's very simple how to do it. You go to the APK. I'll have both of these in the description once again. You go to the first APK, get that, and then you go to the Google Play Store and get Kiwi VPN. Turn that on before you load the game in, and it might take you a couple of tries to get it to load in correctly. And then you just put in the username and everything, and you'll be set. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.